at this guy! Woo! He's too long, I can't get him all in. Oh, this one, I love this type of car. They sort of drive in and out of camera range, so slow down, guys, slow down. Beautiful big station wagon. Look at this guy.
Station wagon.
Oh, purple.
I'm telling you that. You should have gotten a station wagon.
Oh yeah. Beautiful turquoise. Look at this. Slow down, that's what I like. Oh, that's so beautiful. Oh my god. Now these are from the era I love. The fins. Look at this. Look at that. Probably kick those tires. See, we nearly went home. There was about a 20-minute gap and there was nobody. I'll get a shot of down here. All the people out, which is great. Port Coquitlam Car Show will not be stopped this year. It is unstoppable. And my husband is all ready to drag me home. I know there's more. There's this truck there.
Like if you had a Ferrari, would you drive it in
My husband over there talking to a very nice little old lady, but she doesn't ever stop talking. Ever. Can't even take a breath. Well, they kind of come in clumps. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh, 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 oh. And some of their horns actually play a tune. Look at these. These are the good ones. Thank God we didn't go home.
Wow, there's the new Mustang. No.
Sometimes there's one that really stands out. She gone slower. That's the one. Some of them are just to die for. A lot of them 60s and 70s. There's not as many 40s and 50s.
Nope. Nope.
I love, well, 20s.
I just did not like the look of it at all.
Most of these are a bit later.
Yeah.
Hey, baby.
I was looking at that. I'm like, that looks like it's been lifted. I know.
Mostly older guys.
Do it.
Can't really tell on that one. There we go. Ah, here comes. Woo! I didn't even get that guy. Yay! Woo! Woohoo! Oh yes, here is one. Dear to my heart.
Like a train!
Hey, now I'm thinking all about though.
Some of them are coming around for a second time. That does not bother me one iota. Because I didn't get them the first time. That's the era I love the most. The running board. There's many more behind those. You have a good look.
You know what? I think I've seen that guy before though, because obviously how many people have that kind of truck. I have seen a big truck like that. It's like a 750 or a 650.
The actual show, they used to be parked so close together, you really couldn't see the details. Look at this. Ooh, how he goes. Oh yeah, this purple guy here. All right, guy, that's enough. Oh, look at this guy. You really can't get them all in. Here comes the fun. A truck. Here comes the fun. It's about time we had some bloody fun. It's been a long time. There's some more beautiful cars coming.
Mission Raceway today. She's posting some videos. That's what we're doing.
So I'm going to go back here. Oh, I'm glad we didn't leave when we did. Look at.
A few have gone around.
Well, I don't care. I haven't got a good enough shot yet. They can go around 10 times.
I wish you blue skies and green lights.
Yeah.
I was almost falling asleep when I heard that. I thought, oh, I like that.
Yeah.
But
Blue
then I
skies.
realized the humor
Da-da-da-da.
that this town only had.
Nothing but blue skies from now on. Woo!
That's a good idea. I think I saw our friend Gary go by in a nondescript
Is that a hearse?
truck.
I think that's a hearse. Could be. Oh yeah. Yeah, I don't care if they're coming around. That suits me fine. 'Cause it's 2 or 3 seconds. And then they stop and then they do that.
Yeah, the testosterone is up.
Yeah. Now this one looks like
This
no, they're not. No, that's two-tone. No, we haven't seen all of
I
these.
don't think they actually make white walls anymore.
No, I don't think so either.